In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add text to your timeline. Let's get started. So in order to add text to our timeline, all we have to do is to come to the effects, head to text, and then drag this text to the timeline. So once it's dragged into our timeline, there should be a new window inside the inspect element for us to make changes to our text. And if you don't see that, click the text layer that you just added to your timeline and it's going to show in here. So in here I can type a name, I can make changes to the fonts, I can change the size, I can increase the tracking, I can change the positions, make changes to the angles and the rotation. Everything that's in here, you can make changes to it and it's going to affect your text. So if you want to reset it, all you have to do is there is this icon right here. So all these icons are for resetting only these parameters, like the parameters that is beside the icon. So if I have to reset the rotation angle, all I have to do is to click on this and then it's going to reset it back to the default value. Another way to reset the value is to double click on the name right here. That's rotation angle. You can double click on it and then it changes it. You can double click on the name and it changes to the position. Also, if I double click on it, it also resets the value to its defaults. So in here there is stroke. You can make changes to the stroke color, add stroke size, and all this kind of stuff. And another thing you should also know is that in each section there is also a reset button for that. So if let's say I have made changes to so many parameters, instead of coming in here to reset them one after the other, all I have to do is to click reset at the top here and it's going to reset all the parameters within that section. The same applies to the backgrounds. If I make so many changes to this, instead of me coming in here to reset them one after the other, all I have to do is to just click on the reset and then it's going to reset the parameters within that section. If I want to reset the text layer, all I have to do is to click reset in here and it's going to reset every single thing. After you have added the text layer onto your timeline, you could see that it has a specific duration. It has up to 5 seconds duration. So if you want to cut down that duration, you can use the handle. All you have to do is to just click and drag and then it's going to make changes. Whatever text that you have in here is going to be the same. You can also use the cut, so you can also use the blade tool to also cut that part of the text that you don't want and then you can select and then delete. Then you can delete that as well. And this is how you can add basic text to your clips. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And if you want to learn how to edit videos, just keep watching.